Hello. Today I'm going to show you how I do my strip eyelashes. Anybody that knows me, I have worn my strip eyelashes for a good decade before I started getting my eyelash extensions done last year. And it was always such a popular topic of conversation with anybody that I would meet or clients or friends. You know, everybody would always say that they love the way that they make them look, but they're just way too hard for them to put on. They were too sticky. They couldn't get them to stay. The glue was everywhere. And I get it, girl. It can be difficult, but throughout the 10 years that I wore them, I kind of found some tools that work really well for me and some good application methods. So I'm going to share with you my groove so that it helps you get into your groove. And if you're interested in wearing eyelash extensions that you can put on yourself, I'm just going to kind of show you how I do it. So keep watching. Hi. I'm doing this a little differently today because my phone is in landscape mode. And I don't really know how that's going to turn out. So I'm going to try my best to not keep looking at myself the entire time and look at you. So I am using just some strips from the drugstore. You can get these at Ulta. You can get them at CVS, Target, Walmart, wherever you want, whatever ones you want. I think the most important thing that you need to get is some good glue. Do not use a little squeezy glue that comes with the eyelashes. It's going to get everywhere, and that's going to literally make you want to set your house on fire. So you need to find some good glue. So I use this glue. It is the Kiss Strip Adhesive. So fancy. You can also find this wherever you buy your eyelashes, Target, Walmart, CVS, whatever. And it is a brush-on application like this, and you're going to put it on like liquid eyeliner. So the way that I do it is I brush it on literally like eyeliner first. I don't brush it onto my lash strip. I just find it easier if I put it on like liquid eyeliner. I literally just put it on all over my lid like liquid eyeliner. And you can see it goes on blue. I hope you can see it goes on blue. That's how you know it's wet. You want to wait until the blue starts to go away before you try to put your eyelashes on. When the glue gets a little tackier, it helps it stick. When it's really wet, your lashes are going to be sliding all around. And again, house on fire. I use tweezers in my lash. So now that the blue is kind of going away, that lets you know it's tacky, I take my lash. I really hope you guys can see this. And I always place it from inner corner to outer. First of all, that like went on so easy. That's literally as simple as it is. And then I use my tweezers to go in, be careful, and just push it down, especially in the corners. This is going to help you make sure you get your corner really down and really secure. That's it. So easy. It's in the glue, you guys. It really is. I just go around and press it and make sure it's all down, but yeah, there's a falsie. All right, let's do our other eye. Sorry, keep looking at myself. So put it on just like liquid eyeliner. It's gonna go on bright blue. That also helps you see if you got it everywhere. Real technical technique that you just saw. Blue all over the eyeball. And then we wait. Okay, so you can see that the blue is pretty much gone. That's how you know it is tacky enough to put your lash on. I start at the inner corner and just lay it down on my lash, like so. Take my tweezers and make it final. Lashes. Okay, here are my finishing touches to make sure that your lashes stay on and blend really, really well and look as natural as possible. I'm going to go back in with my liquid eyeliner. And I'm just going to go over top, especially in those corners. You can't even see. I'm going to go over top in those corners and just really kind of make sure everything blends. And I think by going back over top, it helps eliminate the look of the lash strip and helps it blend in a little bit better with your liner. I hope you could see that. I just touch up my eyeliner over top I think that helps blend your lashes in with your lash line, helps hide any of the glue, and just makes it look a little bit more natural. It helps it blend in the corners. And there you have it. Simple. It is so simple that it took me like 4 minutes to put my lashes on. Back in the day when I wore them all the time and I would tell people that I wore strips, they were like, oh my gosh, how do you have time to do that every day? And I was like, this takes me less time than to like go in with mascara. That takes me 20 minutes to make sure my lashes look thick and full but not clumpy and stuck together. I hate mascara. It's such a pain. So strips take me no time at all. So I hope that helps. It really is super simple. It just kind of takes you finding your jive and what works for you. I hope that my jive helps you find your jive, but really just get a good glue, get you some tweezers, and find some lashes that fit your eyes and that work best for you. I started wearing e.l.f. eyelashes because they were only $1 at the time, and I really still think that they're pretty cheap if you find them. So they're really good to practice with, and then you don't feel like you're wasting your money on like $10, $12, $15 lashes. So I would just get some e.l.f. ones. You can find those at the drugstore too, and just practice before you go to bed. That way you don't look crazy before you go anywhere, and then once you kind of get your groove going, you can get ready with lash strips too, and they're super simple. So if you guys have any other questions, please feel free to leave it in the comments. I will help in any way that I can. I am not a professional makeup artist. I just have figured out what works best for me, and I hope that by sharing what works for me, it helps you find what works best for you. So yeah, that's it. Thanks, guys.